Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's Saturday. Uh, April the 23rd, 2022. Yes, in this newspaper, Saturday and Sunday, April the 23rd and the 24th. We have here two regular puzzles. First one is a medium Sudoku. Then we have here, let me show you, a quintuplet. Quintuplet, I've told you I won't do them anymore. Too much work. More than an hour I need for solving quintuplets, aka samurai Sudokus. In this a newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles, 6 extra puzzles. 3 of them I will do today, and tomorrow the other 3. But first, I will do the regular medium Sudoku, and this one will be number 4450. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. A 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle first. Okay. Yeah. This one. Not easy at all. I'm scanning, still scanning. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. Cannot continue with 5 now. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 3 boxes in this column. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. I see here another 8, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. 1, 4, and then 9. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Well. All right. Let me see. 1, 6. 1 and then 9. I'm scanning. I'm still scanning. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4. Now I cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait to 297. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4. No, the 3 we have here, and the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the last column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Could be here, could be there. We see there another 1, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Do we have all the ones? And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 6 and the 2. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see a 6 in this third column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay. Then one number left in this second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Okay. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the 9. We see here 9 in the last row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. The 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the first column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 7 and 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. 7 we have here, so I've marked those two boxes with 7 and the 3. This box can be a 7 because we already have a 7 there, so the 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this Sudoku Medium, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm collecting those data more than 8-9 weeks. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. We have here the 3, 6, 5, the 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, and the 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4. We have here the 5 as a pair, the 7 as a pair, and that's all. Alright. Again, our daily Sudokus still continues. Our daily practice still continues for the Sudokus, yes. Thank you and have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again later on, maybe in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.